So first of all, why you are sick in this area, this time here. The first, just in little bit introduction. Today my Gale 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 placement, and this Gale company came, and this through Gale company in my CGPA is a higher, and I clear all the subject. Then reason I shortlisted in the Gale company. Gale is a very gas authority India Limited. It's a very popular in India, and with second largest gas producer in India. And if I place this company in monthly salary around 2 lakhs above, and it's a very popular company. Yes, it started. So I appearing in my number is come. That's the reason I say. Okay, you understood it. First, your name is pronounced also? Yes. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. First, introduce yourself a little bit because I know about you. I see only your CV, and then can you explain yourself? Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Have you give me for introduce myself? Sir, my name is Pramod Chaudhary. I am BTech final year student and at the National Fire Service College, and I have done my two intensive, one in ISL Mathura and one is a Gale India, and as well as I I done my NSET exam 2025 and clear in 90%, and my hobbies in playing cricket and running in long running in marathon, and I have also done in different type of fire safety course through in NPTEL. Yes, that's it. Okay, pronunciation. Then yes, introduce normal. Why you are choosing in fire engineering? Sir, I choose in fire engineering many regions. First region, which is a very unique branch, and in India only one college in government and central government college. That region job opportunity is high. If you have done in fire engineering, then maximum chance you are selected and working, and third is a responsibility. If you put in uniform, then uniform is a very unique and responsibility. And third, in childhood, sir, I joined in Indian Army, but in my family is not supported. That reason I joined in this NFSA college. That reason I study because in Indian Army and in this college some little bit same and scenario, little bit same and scenario is same. Yes, okay. And why I am hire you? Yes, sir. Okay. Sir, I have many quality for you because I am a hardworking person. Sir, I am a hardworking person. Yes, everyone say you are everyone hardworking. Not only you. You are CPA 7.5 only, and other people is 8.5 and 9. He is not hardworking. No, sir. No, sir. He is also a hardworking person. But sir, I only say I am hardworking, and if you give me any project and any work, then I quickly solve in a problems, and I have strong communication skill and leadership. And during the FGO ground, I learned in the leadership quality and communication skill. And question, and this you have done an intensive? Yes, sir. I have done one intensive in ISL Mathura and one in ICL and ICL and Indian Oil Corporate Limited now in ICL. So Krishna Pranav, yes. If you if I start for you, to what changes you done in the Gale part of? Yes, sir. Sir, first of all, sir, I not done intensive in Gale part, Gale any Gale authority. But sir, I read and done in OST, different type OST and PA code. And according to first of all, sir, I see and all the equipment have all the equipment, and then they check up in the all the equipment is working or not. If the any equipment is a fault and not working and expiring, then sir replace in the equipment and maintain and if the equipment in the any type of fault, then the testing and if equipment is not working in a properly, any type of system installation not working properly and not working properly, any type of then I replace and changes according to property and material everything. Krishna, yes sir. You are confident? Yes sir. I am very confident for to talk to you because if you are communicating properly, then definitely sir. What is your weakness? Yes sir. My weakness is sir. I not communicating enough. No sir. What is it? Sir? It's my weakness is if you give me any type of if you give me any work, for example, I realize that this is my weakness. If sir realize if sir give me any type of in assignment or project, any type of, so I don't done in quickly. It is your not quickly. It is your no sir. Why your quickly? So if sir give me like sir give me I give me one project. For project is small. I just give me 100%. Then sometime it is not success because you see, if this work you not give me your 100%, but I give me my 100% every time. That thinking is my fault, or this is not required your 100%. Little bit you done. Okay. And Krishna, this company is a very popular company. Your role is far out. Yes sir. If my role is fire officer, then what? If you in any company you fire in this area fire, what will you done, sir? First of all, in the gases and most of the company is producing the gases. Then maximum chance sir this gas in the gases fire. Mostly I using dry chemical poison and CO2. CO2 is very harmful for environment, but I use in the DCP. DCP not harmful. DCP not harmful in environment. Harmful, but compared to CO2 is a low. But it is very costly compared to CO2. Sorry. If you give me introduction, then you not talk, not just eye contact, because interview requires eye contact. If you just say not eye contact in interview, then maximum chance he is rejected. Then ask me different other question. You done in 30 minutes. You had 30 minutes. You have in a 50 question in you record and load and then change it. Yes, change this.